Hey everyone, this is Ashley with MarineMax Sarasota, showing you our 239 center console by Sea Pro. This is our new 2017 model in black with a white Mercury engine 300 on the back. Let's hop aboard. Really spacious walking on, plenty of room. On the back we have your live well. A pull down bench seat. Rod holders. Storage for fishing. Your helm area. Throttles. Windshield, as well as your T-top with built-in speakers. Going forward, you have a little bathroom area with a sink and also a mirror. Moving forward, you have cushions on the side of the boat, make it very comfortable, as well as handrails for holding on. If you want more information, you can call us at 941-388-4411. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.